Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to talk about the drop games end in 6 days, like in May 30th of this May. So Blum are gonna be like shut down the drop game section. So let's take a look at this. Blum is involved in. Blum is involved in moving forward. So drop game mini game will gracefully sunset the next 30th May, which is this month May. So tap to earn mechanics no longer reflect where we are heading, but they remain part of our journey. You will still earn Bloom point for tags in our mini app. So here is what they said like about regard of drop game. So we are now focused on trading, upgrading features, and turning Bloom into a smart tool for navigating real market opportunities. So the good news, you have 6 days to use your ticket and enjoy to X reward. Other than you are going to lost your all Bloom point ticket. So here is your golden chance to complete all your points that you have, like all your card that you have been not using it. So you have a chance to go and use it in the right way. So because if you didn't use it, so definitely you are going to lose your all drop game card. So let's take a look at our Blum section. So let's dive into our app. So as you can see, like here is my interface of my Blum point. So because of the taking a long time of the Bloom project, my streak now goes to the one streak because I have really tired for this Bloom Telegram mini app. So as they said that the Bloom point, like the drop game, are going to be ended like ever. So there is no chance for you to get a Bloom point without coming to the earn section. So here is the main site that you are going to be getting the Bloom point without typing the drop game. So if you have a card like they have unused card like of the drop game, so I have 243 drop game cards. So I should pick the time to use it and upgrade my points. So let's take a look at this. And then again, don't forget, like in this Bloom journey, so this main point, so definitely main point are gonna be very useful than Bloom point, because Bloom point is not gonna increase your reward massively other than main point. Main point, it has a very important, like it is the main major thing that are going to increase your airdrop, like a part of the Bloom criteria. So here it is. All I want to share with you guys in this video. So if this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.